that side.
The first thing we're going to do with this one, misfire. You can see the ignition coils. So we will get that all